Want to send a Facebook Messenger message later without forgetting? In this quick video, I'll show you the easiest way to schedule it in just a few clicks. First, open Facebook and sign into your account on your computer or laptop. Next, click the messenger icon at the top right to open your conversations. Choose the person or group you want to message, or start a new chat if you haven't messaged them before. Now, type the message you want to send later, just like a normal messenger message. Before you click send, we'll turn this into a scheduled message, so it goes out exactly when you want. Look for the small clock or scheduling option next to the send button, then click it to open scheduling settings. A pop-up appears where you can pick the exact date and time you want this message to be delivered. Click the calendar to choose your day, then set the hour and minutes for when the message should send. When you're happy with the time, click schedule or send later to confirm your settings. You'll see a small label or icon next to your message showing that it's scheduled instead of sent right away. That's it. You've scheduled your Facebook Messenger message the easy way. Save this video so you can repeat these steps anytime you need to send a message in the future.